1947. At precisely 11:17 p.m, the midnight train departed from Kyoto Station, bound for Osaka. 34 passengers, bundled in coats against the November chill, settled into their seats. The conductor, Mr. Sato, performed his routine check, clicking boots echoing down empty corridors. He noticed something odd. The entire second car was silent, passengers staring blankly ahead, unmoving. When he returned minutes later, the car was empty. Not a coat, not a bag, nothing remained except the faint scent of incense. Panic rising, Sato alerted the engineer, but the train glided smoothly through the dark countryside. Upon arrival in Osaka, police searched every inch. All 34 passengers had vanished mid-journey, doors locked from the inside, windows untouched. No bodies, no footprints, no sign of struggle. Newspapers dubbed it the silent train incident. For months, families waited at Kyoto Station, clutching fading photos, but no one returned. To this day, conductors swear they hear whispers in the second car, soft voices calling out in the dark, forever trapped between stations.